Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, your YouTube cooking channel. So look what I got today. It's what we call bistec encebollado. That means mini steaks with onions, caramelized onions. So we're gonna start at least 4 hours or the night before to some minced garlic, soy sauce, and a little bit of pepper to marinate our meat. Yeah, I got this. It's called here minute steaks. This is mini steaks, just regular steaks. Yeah, mini steaks, not for the grill ones. Yeah, and of course we're gonna add a little bit of oil. That's it. And the idea is just that our meat gets all the flavors. That's why I mentioned the night before, or at least 4 hours before we are gonna cook the meat. Okay. So just like that, look, very easy, that all our meat gets together with the flavors, and that's it. Now to the fridge in my case. So next day I just cut some onions, just like that. I got 2 onions, just like that. You can do it in rounds as well. So rounds onion, it's basically a little bit up to you how do you like it. So in our pan we're gonna add some oil and we're gonna saute our onion. Just quite simple like that. Yeah. So while we are cooking it, we are gonna add some vinegar. This will bring a little bit of acidity, which is very nice in the onions itself. Yeah. So we are gonna add a little bit of vinegar, as I mentioned, and just let it get the color we want. Just we don't want to overcook them. I mean, overcook means burning. We don't want to burn it. We want them to keep its flavor, the sweetness of the onion, everything. Yeah. So look at this. And now I'm gonna add some honey with peperoncino. That's a present I got from a friend of mine who was in Italy. So I will add a little bit of more sweetness to the onions and a little bit of spicy, just a little bit, because my wife doesn't like them that much spicy. And just like that, we're gonna mix all together. Look, they are turning the color, but they are not getting burned. Yeah, we have to play good with the temperature. Yeah, always moving all accordingly that it doesn't burn. It's very important, because if we burn it, it's gonna screw the flavors. So once, look, our onions on the side, and we are gonna do our minute steak, just like that. And we are so far done. We just need that the meat gets cooked, and after it gets cooked, we're gonna top it with the onion, and that's it. And just after a few minutes, we are just ready to go. Our dinner is ready, and just gonna top the minute steak with the onion. Look, our caramelized onion with peperoncino and honey. So just like that, we are ready to go. Look, very easy one. So I hope you like it. If you are so far to here, leave your like. It does help us, the content creators. And of course, if you are not, please subscribe to the channel. Look, in my case, I did some rice and I did some capusta. I will leave you the recipe of this salad just at the end of the video. So everyone, take care and enjoy your journey. Thank you.